This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Why study project management? This essay gives an answer to the question. It explains the importance and benefits of planning as a business process and a research topic. Write an A+ essay on product management with this example. Introduction. Project management is the discipline of planning, controlling, securing, and organizing resources to attain specific objectives. A project can be perceived as an impermanent endeavor with a defined starting and end, undertaken to convene unique objectives and goals, normally to bring about good change. The impermanent nature of projects differs from business to business. Sometimes, it can be permanent or semi-permanent, repetitive functional actions to produce services or products. A project is a unique endeavor to produce a set of deliverables within a specified time, cost, and quality constraints. Project management phases. All projects can be thought of as a series of phases that have specific beginnings and defined endpoints. The project management life cycle has mainly 4 phases, namely project initiation, project planning, project execution, and project closure. All of the phases of the project life cycle have a lot of activities to play. These are described in the following segment. Project initiation. This is the initial phase of the project life cycle, which, in turn, has a group of activities that are to be carried out before the planning stage. In this phase, the scope and purpose for initiating it and the solution to be found are described. Project planning. In the project planning step, all the project management planning tasks, which are required to complete the project on time and within budget, are explained. Project execution. The next phase of the project life cycle is project execution. In this phase, the physical deliverables are presented to the consumer. It is the most significant phase in the project life cycle, and it utilizes a set of energy and resources. Project closure. Project closure is the final phase of the project life cycle, which appropriately concludes the project and reports the real achievement of predefined objectives. The job of the project manager is to prepare, execute, and decide on projects according to the given parameters and within the financial plan. This includes obtaining resources and managing the plans of group and third-party consultants to distribute projects according to the plan. The project manager will also describe the project's aim and manage quality control throughout its life cycle. McGraw-Hill and Irwin, in their book, Project Management, The Managerial Process, claim that project management strikes a balance between the technical and human aspects of managing projects. It is suitable for a course in project management and for professionals who seek a project management handbook. The role of strategic management in a project. The strategic management method contains the process of selecting, directing, and calculating project outcomes to ensure the best value for a business. Every project undertaken by a business has to meet specific criteria set up by the company's management. This is intended to ensure alignment with the planned vision of the business. The 4 crucial strategic management processes are: to ensure that every project is strategically associated, make a project management-centered culture, apply strategic project management best practices, and evolve a strategic project measurement scheme. Project scope management, on the other hand, contains the procedures necessary to ensure that the project encompasses all the work required but only the work necessary to complete the project effectively. Managing the project scope mainly concerns controlling and defining what is and is not contained in the project. Conclusion. Project management must be viewed as a technique enabling organizations to execute selected projects efficiently and effectively. However, using this technique alone does not automatically guarantee project achievement. Did you like this project management, phases and processes sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.